New concern has arisen among software engineers regarding the future of their field. There is a new technology called Devin AI-based software engineer that is said to be able to replace human software engineers. As the CEO of a company, when it comes to hiring software engineers, I need to decide whether to opt for human software engineers or to consider hiring Devin and purchasing its services. If I choose Devin, any problems that arise will be attributed to the technology, and I need to be aware of its limitations and potential impact on the software engineering field. What is Devin? Devin is a software tool that has recently been announced. It is capable of software development, coding, testing, deployment, debugging, and finding problems in the code. When new technology emerges, there is always speculation about what it can and cannot do. People tend to base their decisions on these speculations. Sometimes, software engineers get it wrong and things don't work out as planned. However, being a software engineer is still a viable career choice. As an AI-powered assistant, it can help you with your work, but it cannot replace software engineers or contribute significantly to the software industry. Nonetheless, it can help speed up the development process by providing assistance. In the past, technologies like Word have greatly increased productivity by introducing features like auto-correction and grammar check. Similarly, other technologies have made similar claims, but they have not replaced older technologies. What happened with ChatGPT? Did ChatGPT replace his jobs? No. So what did ChatGPT do? It has only increased productivity, opened new avenues, and has not replaced any jobs. If some jobs have been replaced, it should be remembered that these were the jobs of people who were average or below average in their field, or those who did not use technology properly. Software engineering is a complicated field that a lot of complex processes and tasks. One of the most challenging aspects of software engineering is debugging. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in the code. When engineers get into debugging, it can be a time-consuming and frustrating experience that can last for hours or even days. It is a process that requires a lot of patience, skill, and attention to detail. In the past, engineers had to rely on manual searches to find bugs. They would spend hours and hours poring over the code, trying to identify the source of the problem. Today, engineers have access to advanced software tools that can automate the debugging process. These tools can help engineers find and fix bugs more quickly and efficiently. They can provide pre-built blocks, modules, and chunks of code that can be easily assembled, reducing the time and effort required to complete a project. By using these tools, engineers can increase their productivity and produce software in a shorter period of time. This, in turn, can lead to increased profits and a more competitive edge in the marketplace. For example, if it took 6 months to produce one software as a freelancer, now they can complete 2 in the same amount of time. In conclusion, software engineering is a challenging field, but with the help of advanced software tools, engineers can overcome these challenges and create high-quality software more efficiently. While these tools can provide significant benefits, they are not a replacement for the skills and knowledge of software engineers. But the engineers who don't know how to build an algorithm, they have never done anything in their life except code copy-paste. Maybe those people should be replaced. I am saying that too, but those who are smart engineers should be celebrating. There are some tools that can help them improve their work. I have found that Devin can help engineers improve their work, but I firmly believe that nothing can replace the skills of a competent software engineer. I have personally tried Devin, but for my specific needs, I found it to be useless. And yes, lastly, if I have to hire, I will hire a software engineer. I'm not going to use Devin. Overall, I believe that competent and skilled software engineers are essential in the field of software engineering. While AI-powered assistants may have their benefits, I believe that they cannot replace the skills and expertise of human engineers.